Today we're removing the front bumper on the Scirocco R-Line facelift, which as far as I'm aware will be the same as the pre-facelift models. Now I like to remove the headlights to get them completely out of the way and protect them from any damage. So I'm going to do that first. So to remove the headlamp assembly completely, we've got 5 Torx screws we need to remove. So we're ignoring these in the middle, and we've got this one here, 1, 2, 3, and this one down here. So we're lifting the inner part of the assembly first. And taking care not to catch this metal on anything. And now we've got the connector at the bottom here, which is your typical VW connector. And that's the assembly removed completely. So on the driver's side of the car, you've got the bonnet release attached to this piece of metal here. So you can either detach the clips for the bonnet release or remove the panel from the light. So if you wish to remove this, you can stick a pry tool down the side there and pull it away. So this car is a 2015 model, which currently is 5 years old. The difference between a 5-year-old VW and a 10-year-old VW is being able to remove all the screws without grinding out the heads and without the other sides of them being rusty. So all mine have come out nice and easily, and the other sides of the bolts aren't rusty, but give it a few years, or if you're already working on what could be a 12-year-old Scirocco, then you may struggle to remove a lot of these screws. So in the centre above the grille we've got 4 T25 Torx screws. In both wheel arches we've got 4 T25 Torx screws, but it may help to remove this upper one here, as you'll need to access another Torx screw behind this arch liner. And then the extra one up here. And now you'll need to pull the wheel arch liner out a little bit and out of this ridge in the bumper to gain access to a screw which points upwards here. Now for the final screws, we've got 9 T25 Torx screws underneath the front of the bumper. So we've got the 3 under each corner, and then we've got the 3 in the centre. Now if you're working on your own, it'll help to have a piece of carpet down to protect the bumper when it drops down. Unless you're working with 2 people and you can hold both sides up at the same time, but I'm on my own. So drop the other side, pull the other side of the bumper out. Let the bumper drop to the floor. You've still got all your wiring connectors to remove. So on the driver's side of the car, you can quite easily see all the connectors for the lower lights. So remove all of them. VW connectors tend to work best if you press the clip here and actually push them on and then pull them off. So press the clip as hard as you can, push them on and then off. Finally, if you've got parking sensors, you'll need to follow the wiring and find the connector, which, if I can get you a shot of where it is, it's up. So that connector you can see there. So I've got the connector out of the bracket here, and we'll need to undo it. Out of sight, can't really see what we're doing. So we've got the parking sensors disconnected. And now the bumper is completely detached from the car. Got access to your parking sensors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped. If it has, then please do like and subscribe. I've got plenty of other videos on this car and many other vehicles. I have some pretty cool content lined up in the near future, and I hope you'll be around to experience that with me. Thanks again.